Hi guys, Tom Krupar. I'm going to show you a stretch we call the Thomas stretch, and I'm going to show you a couple of different ways of doing it. The purpose of this stretch is to stretch the muscle in the front of the hip or in the groin to get better hip extension range, and hopefully that will take away either hip pain or back pain, whichever is bothering you. So on your bed or on the couch, it needs to be a piece of furniture that's high enough where your foot will not touch the floor. So what you're going to do is lay on your back, and you're going to lay right at the very edge, right to the point where you feel like if you go much farther, you could fall off. But don't go too far. And then what you're going to do is you're going to drop that leg off the edge of the table. You should feel a stretch right across the front of the hip or into the thigh. And you're going to hold that stretch in that position initially for 30 seconds. And as you get better, you want to try to increase that to 60 seconds. Now, to add to that stretch, you can take your opposite knee and pull it up towards you, like so. Okay? To take or to put less of a stretch, if that's too much of a stretch, just scoot yourself up and actually just let that leg lay flat and let the opposite leg hang down. So that'll be the least amount of stretch. The second amount of stretch is here, and the most amount of stretch is in this position. Now, something else you can try to do is you can go to the end of your bed, or maybe sideways, where you can have room to be off the bed but still have your head on the bed. You can go to this position, sit on the bed, grab a hold of one knee, and then lay back and let your leg hang off that way as well. So that's a secondary way of doing that. A little less stretch would just be having less pressure on that up leg. Okay? So there again is the Thomas stretch. You're going to hold that initially for 30 seconds. As you get better, as it's more tolerable, bump that up to 60 seconds. And with most stretches, we want you to do that 2 or 3 times a day.